Today's project is positive negative pumpkins. Supplies you will need is a half sheet of paper, a full sheet of paper, pencil, scissors, glue or tape, something to write with, and maybe some scrap paper. Step 1. Draw half a pumpkin. Make sure that you're using your half sheet of paper, and you're going to draw half a pumpkin on the long side of your half sheet of paper. Step 2. Cut out the pumpkin. Be sure to cut out your pumpkin in one continuous line. There will be no scrap paper left over. The positive space pumpkin you will need to make your project, and what would normally be scrap paper is actually the negative space. So don't cut it up and don't throw it away. Step 3. Arrange the negative space. Take what would normally be the scrap paper and put it on the short edge of your full piece of paper. Step 4. Arrange the positive space. Take your pumpkin, flip it over, and line it up so now it looks like you have half and half pumpkin. Step 5. Glue in place. Make sure you get all the edges. Step 6. Add a face. You can use your scrap paper to collage a face, or you can use something to write and color with to draw a face. Thanks for watching.